Hey guys, this is King Gear, and there's a buttload of snow coming down where I live, and I know some of my viewers live where I am, and but for some of your the new viewers well, tell me if you get this crazy ass weather. Like right now, it's bad out. Like the roads are crap. And well, I got up at like 6:15, so it might be 7 or 6:30. I'm not very sure because well, I have a brother and I don't really like sharing a room, so I sleep out here in the game room for the winter game room, which is like, well, you'll see where my setup is. But yeah, so I'll show you the snow that's coming down. So guys, look at that though. All that snow coming down. You can barely see it on the camera, but trust me, it's coming down. See those footprints over there? Yeah, those were like deep, like all the way through the snow. But my setup, I have in my little mini room is, well, my Xbox 360 is here. I have a few discs that I don't play anymore. I might, guys, if you don't see any Dead Space or Riptide, or Dead Island or Riptide, I probably traded those games. It be before I got my capture card in my laptop. But when I do get those things, trust me, you'll be seeing a lot more gameplay type things. I don't have a recording person for me, but once I because I'm still not old enough for like an actual to pay somebody, but once I get some money from my mom for doing chores and stuff, I might just like pay my brother to record for me. So yeah, but yeah, um my the TV isn't the best, but it gets me through most of my games. And um I might in the summer either I'll probably be doing mostly at night, but in the summer this is where my setup will be. It'll be a little bit cleaner, and I'll probably be sleeping out here as well. And so this is what my summer setup will be like. I have a couch there. I have like two rocking chairs here for like multi-gaming. And this is my brother's junk guitar right here. And this is my Kinect, which I don't really use, but if you guys want me to do a Kinect type thingy, I'll do it. Hold up, let me just get this shit out of here. Sorry, I don't. No, my brother messes up my shit all the time, but not on purpose. Well, I also messed it up a lot because I don't really use this a lot. But it's cool. Oh yeah, I also have a PS3, and so yeah, this will be the video today. Hey guys, this is King Gear again. I'm just giving you a little like outside. So look at the roads, yo. Can't even see them. But yesterday, this was all shoveled, plowed. So yeah, it's pretty bad out. Oh, damn. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm taking out the garbage right now. So I'll be. Hey guys, I'm back, but see, this was all gone. Nothing was here. So it's pretty snowy out. I'm actually surprised people are still driving. So yeah, guys, it's pretty snowy out right now. But once the snow starts letting up, I'll continue this video. And so once I come back, I'll show you around. Yeah, this is my house. So, yeah, see you later. Oh, crap. And I'll see you guys later.